We're finally here again. What's going on now?
I'm trying to remove this fuel petcock this time.
Fuel. Can you say that again?
Get all petcock.
Ooh. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not YouTube stuff, right?
We got a new one. We're gonna throw the old gas out.
This thing?
Yes.
We gotta throw this thing out?
Yes, this old.
This thing?
Able to go to the on position.
Oh.
See what's going on.
Have the replacement?
I'm
for
pretty
it?
sure it's already really bad.
What's the replacement?
It's in the box. That's why it won't turn on. It's already
Ooh.
corroded. Yeah, it's been sitting for 2 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what is this called?
Fuel petcock.
Where's the new petcock? Is it there somewhere in the shorts? It's somewhere, alright. I'm gonna find it, you know. Agents, where is it?
It's in here somewhere.
That's what she said. She found it.
That's it.
Nice.
I don't want to throw you this out.
We're in a HOA neighborhood. You're gonna watch this and I'm gonna be like, FBI, open up! Don't do this at home, guys. Is this even legal?
And then we'll put the new one on. We'll make sure that it's gonna open up properly. There's no blockage. And we'll put the.
Well, I mean, you saw that other one. It's got a lot of blockage and there's like a weird hole in the middle.
Well, that's corrosion.
Yeah.
So this is the filter.
Wait, was that just a cover?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a filter.
The old one didn't have it. They just put it all like this.
So that's good, right?
Yeah.
Taking you forever just turning that thing. What is that?
Positive.
All right.
Look at that. Awesome. Now we just have to put some gas and plug it in.
Gonna hook up those lines.
Yeah.
Go for the gas.
Yeah.
And make sure you got the clamp.
Yeah, it's in there.
Oh my God! You had one job. You had one job.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
You know, people are seeing this, right?
I know.
Some kind of mechanic you are.
They'll buff out.
Yeah, we'll buff out with the paint too.
Fine.
What the fuck? Yes, keep trying when you know the battery is bad.
Can you like put a little bit of air in there?
Rags and gas, guys. Rags and gas. What?
We got no more leak. That's a good thing.
Okay, so why is it not starting?
Battery.
We got the bike to start. It was idling, but whenever we put some throttle, it's dying.
Yeah. Something's wrong with the
Carbs.
carburetor. It's blocked. It's been sitting for 2 years, so we have to open it up and.
Can you just like run some seafoam?
No, it doesn't work like that. We can soak it in seafoam,
Oh.
but it's not gonna fix the issue right away. So what we got to do is remove the tank, remove the carburetor, and then we're gonna open it up and see where the gunk is, because right now we're running on the choke being open. So that means it's just dumping fuel inside the bowl. But when we close it, it dies right away. So that means the main jets are blocked. So
Gotcha. He's taking out the lines for the carb.
no, that's the
That's the cable.
cable.
Okay.
The whole cable. I noticed that too.
There's the carbs, guys. Alright, so what we're gonna clean there?
No, we have to remove the whole.
Oh, remove the whole thing. What's the deal now?
Just gotta remove it from the. Right here. There you go.
Look at that. It's almost out. What's the only thing that's holding that? Oh, okay. Where's the fuel line? Oh, okay. So that's the fuel line right there. Alright. Whoa, we finally got it out.
That's the fuel line right there.
So this whole time you're trying to take off the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were trying to take off the fuel line from there.
Yeah, I'm trying to do, but I can do this too.
Oh, okay, why didn't you do that at the beginning?
So I'm doing it like this.
So that was a f***ing lie.
And there's the fuel line, guys. Almost out.
Now, we're gonna investigate what's going on with this. See this? That should be easy going up without pressure. It should just go up. This throttle.
Okay.
I forget what you call this. Look, that's stuck.
So what?
I have to check inside the top of
Clean
the
it up so that way it'll just keep. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
That should go down, right, on its own.
easily.
That should retract like automatically, right?
Yeah.
Like a spring-loaded thing. No.
Mhm.
Now your first rodeo. Oh God.
Come on, man.
That's all it is. It's just this.
Those parts are still good. The spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be that hard. It's gunked up. I have to clean the needle.
And the what?
This one right here. That's a needle. See how it just dried up right away?
Yeah.
See how it gets kind of gunked up?
Yeah.
So that area right there, when this runs, when it picks up air, it floats, it flutters, right? It flutters.
What?
That's how it gets fuel from, is from that opening right there. This is the meter. The needle meters that fuel. The more you put the throttle on, the more it'll flutter, and it'll just squirt fuel onto the carburetor. That's how it gets fuel. It's supposed to be light. It shouldn't be stuck like that.
Okay.
But you can see it's gunked up. That's what happens when you let a bike sit for.
So if you clean that needle,
Even
it's
a
gonna
season.
go up and down really good.
It's supposed to be. That's how
So
it's
it's
supposed
not
to be.
because of the surface here.
No, this is it right here, the needle.
So that's what's making that like stuck like that.
Yeah, because look, the gunk's coming out of it.
It's gonna be smooth, right?
Yeah.
Dang.
See how it's just
All right,
scrubbing
clean
off?
it up. Get some carb cleaner.
No, that's all it is.
Get some carb cleaner.
I don't have no carb cleaner.
Well, get some brake cleaner. We can use that, right? No.
No, this is fine. That's all it is. But more than likely, we need to clean that up.
The thing that goes inside that. All right.
We are going to remove this float, and then I want to investigate. That's where it's getting it from. We have to investigate this float right here. Took this out.
What is that?
One of the jets. See how it's covered with
Yikes.
crud? Yeah.
So what are those holes in there?
That's how it gets the air, the Venturi effect.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just saying some bullshit. What the fuck? It's ventilated. That's all it is. But you can see inside. There's a lot of stuff inside it. You can see that. Right? Yeah. What's coming out? Damn.
I mean, that's not the greaser, but what is that?
It's almost like a brake. It's a brake part. Look at that.
Jesus.
So now we're just gonna shake, rattle, and roll. You see it? Getting better. That's the other one. One's a pilot jet and one's a...
Oh, that's not the one you were swishing earlier?
no.
Oh. Oh, there it is. For those little holes? I thought...
This is the idle jet, I believe. I could feel there's something meaty.
I thought you were trying to
inside.
poke it right here.
I know. Earlier, you can't see through that. Now you can see it. Now it's clean. The brake fluid cleaner helps a lot.
I guess you want to put it back in and we'll start it?
It's clean inside now.
Is that what we're going to do?
No.
Alright, so
We're gonna put it
did
back.
you clean everything?
Yeah, I did.
Alright.
So earlier, we're having trouble. It's pretty much stuck earlier.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put it back.
Alright, I'll show it here to the camera.
I know, look. Why don't you put your camera here?
Because your shit's in the way.
Okay, well, find a way, cameraman. Now we gotta put the spring. Make sure we don't cover that. And you see that notch for that hole? It's gonna go to. Spring's gonna go there. And I can feel this already good. So if you see that? See that springs back?
Oh, wow.
That's how it's supposed to be. Earlier, it wasn't even doing
big
that. It's
difference
hard.
right there.
It was stuck. So whenever, see now, the jet is sealed by the needle. So the more air you wanted, is you're gonna open the throttle. It'll flutter this even more and higher, letting more fuel out of that needle, because the needle is the metering device. And the more air you get, the more you're gonna go up, the more fuel is gonna spill out from that jet.
See,
There
I
you
like
go.
the action of that.
Look at that. This thing won't even come back. That's the other one we haven't cleaned yet. Look at that. It's stuck. It won't even move. Look at that.
Alright, so what he's gonna do is just gonna go ahead and just clean up everything else.
The other one.
And pretty much the same process as the other one. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and install this back, and it should make the bike run. No problem. I think there's the only issue now.
3 days later.
Hey, how far can you run in every step?
Shining up my wheels a little bit.
We're gonna go ASAP. If you're in the road, and that happened, actually, you know, hold on, Mike. I need a plastic bag. Daddy needs a plastic bag. Go, go, go.
That's good.
Does, right?
It's a comfortable ride.
You did a good job fixing it up, man.
It's okay.
It's nice and quiet.
It feels comfortable like that, but you want to be loud. Dang. Missed a power slide.
I was trying to step on the brake, but this thing got in the way.
Yeah, I don't like that crash bar like that. It messed me up with my foot. It's gotta be only for people with short feet. All right, Brian, go ahead and do a burnout. Watch this go all the way there. You have to press the gas. I know. It's okay. Next
I know how
time,
to do it though. Front brake.
you gotta lock the front brake as much as you can.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Don't worry about it. We're gonna sell this bike, man. Yeah.
I should put a smiley face so you can make a ooh face. Very good. So we came here to pick up this Honda Shadow because we have a buyer for it. Yeah, Vince brought it back to life. Huh? I think you saw it.
So much collection, bro.
Honda Shadow's finally ready for sale. The logo.
Uh-oh.
I need a quiet bike like that.
Alright, Vince. So, like what you did the other day, you finally got it fixed, right?
Yeah, I did.
So what did you do?
Well, we just went ahead and changed the chains. The carburetors were good.
So that's the
We're able
carburetor,
to-
as you can see.
Yeah, we were
Already
able
got
to
it.
unclog the
Nice and
carburetor.
shiny. Yeah.
And then we went ahead and cleaned the chrome, made sure everything, all the controls are in the right position.
And then you can just like leave it on, it'll idle by itself, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
you can, when you rev it, it
Yeah,
doesn't
it's
choke
responding
anymore, right?
properly. Yeah, it's
there it
responding
is.
properly, so we're good.
Because as you can see in another video, like, you know, the carburetor was clogged up.
Yeah, it's not even letting us idle
Yeah.
last time, so.
Yeah, that bike looks good, man, compared to how it was the first time.
I know. Kind of shiny.
It's all shiny and everything.
It was diamond in the rough.
Yep.
Just
I
need
would
a
buy
little bit
that.
of polish and
So this is the bike that was like been sitting for 2 years, right?
yeah.
Wow.
So we have a potential buyer for it. I
And
don't know if he's going to come through or not. Either way.
yeah, either way, somebody's gonna buy it.
An
but-
hour away where we live at, me and Bernard.
The big difference from how it was before too.
You saw
Yep.
clean.
It's a clean. Oh, look at that! It's like
make sure
shiny.
clean, just shine it, buff it up
Woo-wee.
before you sell it. You know, buff it up a little bit.
Vince did some work, that's for sure.
We all did, not me. Just we all. Did.
Yeah, I did some too, right? I did
We
some
all
too.
did. We all helped.
I was here for just moral support.
It looks nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a nice stock bike. I mean,
You want to buy it, Mike?
Sure. Let's go for
It'll
it.
be your first bike. It's a Honda Shadow.
Yeah.
You take
Is that
it.
Bernard's?
How do I look in that video?
Oh, you're recording right now? So they're gonna load this bike up, and the person's gonna meet you guys tomorrow, or
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so hopefully that person buys it.
It's in your hands some more now. It's in your hands some more now.
Yes. Deal. Sold.
Deal. So.
So make sure to click like and subscribe for Rags and Gas, and we'll catch you guys next time.